So now you can create amazing logos in Photoshop using text. So this logo I created in minutes. What I done is you can create what you need to do means okay, if you want any letter, you just type that letter. So now I given the foreground color is white, that's why I'm giving capital A. Sorry, capital A. This doesn't have capital A. Okay, now you can enlarge it as much as you want. Then the right click here you can say convert to shape. Now this is converted as shape. Now you can edit these shapes. You can edit the shapes. You can create your own logos. I'm using sub selection tool, direct selection tool. It's not edited. Okay. I don't know. Last time it was not selected properly. You can edit yourself as you like, the way you want it to. You can design your own logo. So once you created the logo, you can easily use for your work. So this is a way you can text you can edit easily, and it is a nice way you can also create it any type of logo with all these tools. You see, then it will distort anything you'll use. You can create an amazing logos using all the tools. Whatever the Illustrator work is doing, you can also do it here only. So that's a way you can utilize a Photoshop. Any way you can utilize it. And so like this type of way you can create amazing logos. And you can convert to shape these type of logos, and this is a way you can create. So what you need to do is type the layer. This also layer is here. You can here right click, then convert to shape. Then it will automatically create the shape. Then you can move the modification as you like. Then you can create the logos or designs or anything possible for your design. So thank you for watching, and please work on and create some logos with text and upload to my Discord channel. Thank you for watching.